So hello everyone, in this class we are going to discuss question number 7. So you all can see page number 235. The question says a rectangular lawn 80 meter into 60 meter has two roads each 10 meter wide running in the middle of it. So there is a rectangular lawn like this. So the rectangular lawn is 80 meter by 60 meter, so the length will be 80 meter, breadth will be 60 meter. So there are two roads which runs in the middle of the lawn. The width is, the roads are 10 meter wide. Okay, so this is again 10 meter. So you need to find the cost of graveling them. গ্ৰেভেলিং কৰা মানে পাথৰ দি পেলাই ৰাস্তাত পাথৰ দি পেলাই তেনেকৈ মাজত হয় ন লনৰ মাজতে এটা সৰু পাতল ৰাস্তা যায় পাথৰৰ ৰাস্তাটো। চ' এই ৰাস্তাটো তোমালোকক পাথৰ বহাব লাগে আৰু সেইটো কষ্ট ওলাব লাগে। যদি 1 মিটাৰ স্কুৱেৰ গ্ৰেভেলিং কৰা তোমালোকে, চ' ইট উইল কষ্ট ইউ ₹1.20। চ' গোটেইটো ৰোড ক্ৰছ ৰোডক গ্ৰেভেলিং কৰাটো কষ্ট কিমান হ'ব সেইটো ওলাব লাগে। চ' ফাৰ্ষ্ট অফ অল ইউ উইল ফাইণ্ড দ্য এৰিয়া অফ দ্য ক্ৰছ ৰোডছ। এইটো ৰোডৰ এৰিয়া ওলাবা, যেনেকৈ লাষ্ট কুৱেশ্যনত আমি শিকিছিলোঁ। এইটো ৰোডৰ এৰিয়া ওলাবা, এৰিয়া প্যাৰেলাল টু লেন্থ। সিমিলাৰলি ইউ উইল ফাইণ্ড দ্য এৰিয়া প্যাৰেলাল টু ব্ৰেথ, এইটোৰ এৰিয়া। চ' ইউ উইল সি দ্যাট while finding the area এইটো পোৰ্শন দুবাৰ ৰিপিট হয়, এবাৰ ইন দ্য ৰোড প্যাৰেলাল টু লেন্থ এণ্ড আগেইন ইন দ্য ৰোড প্যাৰেলাল টু ব্ৰেথ। চ' এইবাৰ এই ক্ৰছ ছেকশ্যনৰ এৰিয়াটো মাইনাছ কৰিব লাগিব। দেন ইউ উইল গেট দ্য এৰিয়া অফ দ্য ৰোড। আফটাৰ ফাইণ্ডিং দ্য এৰিয়া অফ ৰোড you can find the cost. So you will write like this: for road parallel to length, so its length will be, this will be the length, which is equal to how much? 80 meter. Breadth will be this much, so breadth will be 10 meter. Therefore area is equal to length into breadth, that is 80 meter into 10 meter. 8 into 10 is 80 and one more zero will be there, 800 meter square you got. So for next road which is parallel to breadth, this road, so for road parallel to breadth, length will be equal to, this will be the length 60 meter, breadth is fixed 10 meter, so area will be equal to length into breadth, that is 60 meter into 10 meter, 600 meter square. Now this cross section is a square whose side is 10 centimeter, 10 meter, 10 meter, 10 meter. So you will write area of cross section. The cross section is a square of side 10 meter, sorry. So 10 meter into 10 meter will give you 100 meter square. So with this you can find the area of the cross road. So area of the cross road will be equal to area of this road, which is 800 meter square, plus area of this road, which is 600 meters square, minus 1 time this area. Why? Because it is repeated 2 times. So it will be 1300 meter square. So now you are going to put the you will gravel this total area, this much area you are going to gravel. Okay, so you will find, you will be able to find the cost, since we know the area where we are going to do graveling. So for 1 meter square you will write the statement properly. Cost of graveling 1 meter square. So cost of graveling 1 meter square is ₹1.20. It is given. It is given that the cost of graveling per meter is 1.20. So you are going to gravel 1300 meters square. So 1.20 into 1300. Okay. So the cost will be 12 into 13 will be 156. How many zeros? 1 2 3 zeros at the end. After decimal, how many places are there? 2. So count 2 places. From the end, it will be 1560. I hope it is clear to all of you. Let's see number 8 then. A floor which measures 15 meter by 8 meter is to be laid with tiles measuring 50 centimeter by 25 centimeter. So you can see we have a floor. Okay, length is how much? 15 meter, breadth is 8 meter, and on this floor you can see, suppose this is the floor. Here we are going to lay some number of tiles. Okay, you need to find the number of tiles, how many tiles can be laid. So A2 tiles into area hobo, again same area will keep on repeating. How many times? We have to find that. Okay, the number of times this area repeats will be the number of tiles. Jodi eta tile or area 4 meters square, suppose I am saying, so 4 meter square, 4 meter square, 4 meter square, 4 meter square, again 4 meter square, 4 meter square কেইবাৰ repeat হলে গোটেইটো জায়গাটো ভৰি যাব. That means basically the area of the floor is getting divided into area of smaller tiles. Okay, so you, by dividing, you can get the number of tiles. So for tile, length is given as 50 centimeter, breadth is given as 25 centimeter. So area will be equal to length into breadth, that is 15 meter into 8 meter. Now we know we have to divide to know the number of tiles, so here calculation to no koriba, simply it will be wastage of time. So here it is meter and here it is centimeter. So let's convert into centimeter. 15 meter is equal to 1500 centimeter and 8 meter is equal to 800 centimeter. Here area will be length into breadth, that will be 50 is centimeter is the length and 25 centimeter is the breadth. Therefore number of tiles needed will be equal to area of the floor into area of the tile. Centimeter reduce, 0 cancel, 5 one time, 5 30 times. Okay, then 5 times, 5 6 times, 5 one time 5 remains what? 6 7 8 3 3 0 30 6 times. So it will be 96 tiles will be needed to cover the floor. Okay, then again there is one more part. Find the number of tiles required. We have find it. Okay, again further it is, if a carpet is laid on the floor so that a space of 1 meter exists between the edges and the edges of the floor, what fraction of the area is uncovered. Okay, so this, now again we need to move with the second part of the question. Suppose এই ফ্লোৰত তোমালোকে কি কৰি আছা, এটা কাৰ্পেট লে কৰি আছা, কাৰ্পেট পাৰি আছা. ওকে, ফ্লোৰটো কিমান? 15 মিটাৰ বাই 8 মিটাৰ. কাৰ্পেটটো কেনেকৈ পাৰি আছা? 1 মিটাৰ জাগা এজৰ ফালে এৰি পেলাই. Okay, you are leaving a space of 1 meter on all the edges and you are laying the carpet. So this much is the area where you have laid the carpet. Okay, you need to find the fraction area, the fraction of the floor uncovered, mane kiman fraction of the floor uncovered ase. So first of all we need to find the area which is uncovered. Okay, so for floor, length is 15 meter, breadth is 8 meter. Area will be equal to length into breadth, 15 meter into 8 meter. 8 into 5 is 40. Total it will be 120 meters square. For carpet, length will be what? This is what is the edge? 1 meter here and 1 meter here. So from the total of this 15, we have to remove 1 meter of this side and 1 meter of this side to know the length of the carpet. So length will be 15 meter minus 1 meter plus 1 meter. 15 minus 2 meter, that is 13 meter. Breadth will be 8 meter minus same, okay, 1 plus 1 meter, 8 meter minus 2 meter, that is 6 meter. Area of the floor is equal to length into breadth. Length is 6. So here 78 meters square. Now this is the area where we have laid the carpet. That means the carpet has covered 78 meters square out of this 120 meters square. So we can find the area which is uncovered. To 42 centimeter square. Now we need to find fraction of the area uncovered. So 42 meters square out of total 120 meters square is uncovered. So meter square cancelled. 421 times 60 times 3, 7 times 3, 20 times. So 7 by 20. So this is the required fraction of the floor which is uncovered. I hope it is clear to all of you. Question number 9 is also similar to the remaining questions. We will try to solve it now. Here it is given that the length and the breadth of a rectangular park are in the ratio 8:2. So the ratio of the length, just a second. The ratio of the length and breadth of the rectangular park are in the ratio 8:5. So you can write let length be 8x, since we don't know and the ratio is given. Breadth be 5x. Okay, this is the rectangular path. A path 1 meter wide runs, let me make it a bit smaller. So now its length will be what? 8x, breadth will be 5x. A path 1 meter wide, 1.5 meter wide, running all around outside the of the park. So there is a path outside the park. Okay, this is the path all around the outside the park. Okay, this is 1.5 meter, 1.5 meter, 1.5 meter, and this is 1.5 meter. Find the has an area 594 meters square. So area of the path, this path is 594 meters square. You need to find the dimensions of the path. That means you need to find the length and breadth of the path. So for park, length is how much? Length is 8x. Breadth is how much? 5x. So listen to it properly, okay? Because since it is given in x, so you might be confused. So for park, the length is 8x and for the breadth is 5x. So your area will be equal to length into breadth, that is 8x into 5x. 8 into 5 is 40. X into x is x square. Now for park, including the path, for this part including the path, length will be equal to, from here to here it is 8x and this 1.5 plus 1.5. So 1.5 plus 1.5 will be equal to 3. So it will be 8x plus 3. Now this breadth from here to here is 5x. This is 1.5 and this is 1.5. So 1.5 plus 1.5 meter. So it will give you, here you will get 3. So 5x plus 3. So now area will be equal to what? 8x plus 3, length into breadth. Okay, so 5x plus 3. Now this multiplication you have learned in algebraic expressions how to multiply. This 8x will be whole multiplied with the whole this expression. 8x will be multiplied with 5x plus 3, and this plus 3 will be multiplied with whole 5x plus 3. Now 8 into 5 is 40, x into x is x square. 8 into 3 is 24, 24x. 5 into 3 is 15, 15x. 3 into 3 is 9. You can see 8 into 5 is 40, x into x is x square. 8 3 times 24, 24x. 3 into 5 is 15, 15x, and 3 into 3 is 9. Okay. So it will be 40x square plus 15 plus 24 is 39x plus 9. This is the area of the whole, okay, part and also the path. And here we know this area of the part is 40. So from this whole area, if we subtract this, okay, area of the part, you will be left with only the area of this path. Okay, that's what we are going to do now. Okay, so now from this area you will subtract this area so as to get the area of the path. So you will write given area of the path is equal to 594 meters square. And how will you get this area of the path? From the whole area, which includes the part and the path, you will subtract the area of the park. Okay, so 40x square plus 39x plus 9, this is the area of the park and the path together, and minus 40x square, which is the area of the path. 40x square, sorry, which is the area of the park. And after subtracting, we will get the remaining areas only of the path. Okay, so after subtracting, now you will open the bracket. Minus 40x square is equal to 594 plus 40 minus 40 will be reduced. So 39x is equal to plus 9 when taken to that side, it will be minus 9. So 39x, what you will get? 5, 8, 5. Okay, so you will divide it by 39. 585 one time, 39 remains 9, it will be 1. 5 times you will get, after dividing, x will be equal to 585 divided by 39. 39 one time, 39 15 times. X will be equal to 15. So now you had length as 8x. So 8 into 15 meter, which is equal to 120 meter, and you had breadth as 5x, isn't it? So 5 into 15 meter, which is equal to 75 meter. I hope this chapter is clear to all of you. If you have any doubt, you can WhatsApp me. I will clear it. Thank you everyone. See you in the next class.